Welcome to my channel, Linux for Life. Please help support my channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Today's topic is on groups in the Linux system. How we create a group, remove a group, add users to a group, delete users from a group. So without further ado, here we go. Zoom in, better view. Okay, the first thing we do is type in groups. Now this command shows all the groups that are on the system. So here we got a group called Shadow AK47, a group called ADM, a group called CD-ROM, a group called sudo, dip, plug dev, and you get you get the picture. Okay, another way we can list all the groups is via the cat command. Cat, and then go straight to the directory which is etc group. Now if we list this, we get the entire list of all the groups. You got the root group here. Okay, let's go to the bottom. Okay, say, how do we create a new group? Okay, what we would do, use the sudo command because you need root privileges. And the very next command is group add. Straightforward. And then just, I don't know, let's call it L for L, Linux for Life. You need the group name. Enter. Password. There we go. Okay, now if we list via the cat command, we can see the group we just created is listed right at the bottom. There we go. Okay, so now how do we add a user to this group? Now to do that, you need root privileges again, and this time the G password command with the A tag, A which stands for add. The next what you want to do is add the username. So let's add the username, and follows that is the group that you want to add him to. So we want to add him to the L for L group. Enter. So there you are. You can see adding user Shadow AK47 to the group L for L. So now if we list the command, we can see Shadow AK47 is now part of L for L. So the very next thing is, how do we delete a user from the group? So again, sudo root privileges, same command, but this time we're using the D tag, D for delete. And now same again, the user you want to delete, and from the group you want to group name. So enter, and you can see removing user Shadow AK47 from the group L4L. So now if we list it once again, you can see no Shadow AK47 is gone. Okay, and the very last thing, how do we delete the actual group? And that's simple, sudo once again, and you guessed it, group del, and now simply just type in the group you want to delete. Enter. So let's list it once more, and you can see the group L4L is gone. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate your support. Also, if you want me to cover any other particular topic, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to address it. Thank you.